Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm at Popeyes. Yes, another Popeyes video, but I wanted to do something a little different. You know, Gary and I both love fried chicken. Well, Popeyes offers something called Blackened Tenders, a healthier chicken option, if you will, with none of the fried skin on it. They're called Blackened Tenders, and they're spicy, so let's check them out. Gigantic Popeyes bag. Got a box of 12, not gonna be eating all of them. Also got an order of fries, but this video is about the Blackened Tenders, baby. They have such cute boxes. On the side, I got some of their bold barbecue, or as they call it, bold BQ. Let's take a look at these bad boys. They're thin, there's no breading on them whatsoever. They're just lightly grilled and seasoned. They smell spicy too, which is good. Dip some in this bold BQ. First dip, look at that. Wow, I must say, I'm so used to eating tenders with fried chicken breading with the standard breading on them, but basically imagine eating a chicken tender, but without the skin. Very light, super tender. Is that why they're called chicken tenders? Incredibly light. I'll have to look up how many calories these things have, but they're super thin, and I know for a fact they're healthier and better for you than the standard breaded tenders. The flavor, delicious. They taste pretty much just like their regular chicken tenders, but they're a bit spicier, and they're seasoned a little differently. I mean, look at that one. Doesn't that just look juicy and delicious? I tell you what, if you're looking for a healthier chicken alternative, I highly recommend you try out these Blackened Tenders. And you go around, you look at their menu, they come in, I think all their chicken comes in mild, spicy, or blackened. And these Blackened Tenders are, as you could guess, low carb. Definitely a good option if you love chicken. Like I said, yeah, all their chicken comes in spicy, mild, or blackened. And the blackened already has a nice kick to it. I highly recommend these. I strongly, strongly believe you will not be disappointed. Great job, Popeyes. I will 100% get these again. And you gotta get the bold BQ. Their bold barbecue with it too. Takes it to the next level. Thank you so very much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you can be notified when we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Be sure to hit up theedibleadventures.com for merch. Help support us until we can make money from these videos. And follow us on Instagram at theedibleadventures. And you know what this is? It's the end screen. Subscribe button here, links to other videos here and here. Catch you on the next one. Peace out.